Hey rail fans, I'm Deanne with RailFanDepot.com. Join me for a cab ride into Camden Yards Station. This is some rare mileage for a cab ride.
At Railfan Depot, we celebrate the action, history, and fun of steel wheel on steel rail.
We're in the cab of a former Burlington Northern E9, now pulling commuter trains for ARC. Today, we're heading out of Sunnyside, Maryland with a destination of the new, in 1994 when this footage was shot, Camden Yards Station.
Ex-Burlington Northern E9M number 68 will be our chariot as we traverse the Camden line of the MARC system. We won't get to see all of the sights along the line because the train runs into some foul weather as we head north. But it should be an enjoyable trip. Train number 250 is waiting on track 12 for our departure. The old cab unit bumps along as we negotiate the terminal ladder. As we'll see, the E unit proves to be a bumpy ride along the whole trip. At the New York Avenue underpass, we leave the terminal trackage and enter the CSX Capital Subdivision, what MARC calls the Camden Line. After the Metropolitan Sub joins the Capital Sub, we race northwards towards threatening skies and pass a southbound Penn Line train. Soon we're cruising at 80 miles per hour through the suburbs north of Washington, D.C., and the tracks wind through forested hillsides. At Greenbelt, MARC trains diverge from the main to reach the station platforms. This is a major new station on the Camden Line and is the last station along the Washington Metro system. During our stop at Greenbelt, the southbound number 253 train will roll in. If trains 250 and 253 are both on time, they will always meet at Greenbelt.
MARC is a regional commuter railroad serving Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, Maryland, and the suburbs of each city with operations on 3 lines called the Brunswick Line, the Camden Line, and the Penn Line.
From Greenbelt, we will head to Laurel Station, then towards Baltimore's Camden Station. We'll see various points along the way. Leaving Greenbelt, the old E unit really digs in to get the train up to track speed. The fastest MARC trains can do on the Capital Sub is 80 miles per hour. The Camden trip usually takes about an hour and 10 minutes. On the right, west of Sunnyside, Maryland, is the new Washington Metro service and storage facility, seen here during its construction. The massive facility will house maintenance forces, operation departments, and capacity trackage for the train sets. At Laurel, Maryland, we slow for a station stop under stormy skies at the classic old B&O station. Northeast of Laurel, the scenery varies from sprawling megalopolis to winding forested countryside. After Jessup, Maryland, we'll skip ahead towards Baltimore to avoid some heavy rain. Bailey Y sits almost a mile from downtown and is a favorite local train watching spot. The Y joins the trackage of the Capital Sub, the Riverside Yard Lead, the Camden Yard Lead, and the Philadelphia Sub. Many MARC and CSX trains traverse these curves each day. We'll visit the Y a bit later to watch some trains.
If you want to see more 1994 throwback action on MARC, check out the link in the description below. No matter where you are watching, our website, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, thank you, and hit the like, love, and subscribe buttons.
Our train pulls into Camden Station just about on time. The station is located right downtown, as we can see, but also right next to the new Oriole Park Baseball Stadium. MARC operates seasonal baseball trains to bring fans to Baltimore. They have been well patronized.
At Railfan Depot, we're fans of the steel wheel on steel rail, just like you. We enjoy hearing about and watching trains. We want you to know that behind your screen, there are Railfans doing the work of finding, ordering, stocking, and shipping your purchase. Thank you.